Hi everyone, today I'll assist you install VASCilia package. So let's start. First of all, this is our GitHub. You need to go to this link which has our full documentation. Go to this link and then go to installation link here. VASCilia works on Windows 10 or 11. It needs WSL installation. It's very flexible. We tested on many systems with different GPUs from like 8 gigabyte to like 24 gigabytes, and it works properly. So please feel free to install it to any device that has GPU RAM that is larger than 8 gigabyte. It doesn't work on CPU. It needs GPU. You need to follow 5 steps to install VASCilia. The first step is to set up WSL. Let's do that together. For WSL, before installation, you need to check 2 things. First thing, and you need to check if Windows Subsystem for Linux and Virtual Machine Platform is enabled on your system. To do that, just press Windows and R. I'm pressing now Windows and R in my keyboard, and then write optional features. Click OK. Go down, and you need to see that those two are checked: Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux. If they are not checked, please check them and restart your system. After you finish that, please check the hardware virtualization. It needs to be enabled. To check that, go to your task manager, performance, CPU, and then you will see that your virtualization here should be enabled. If it is disabled, then you need to enable it from BIOS. You can ask your department IT if you don't feel comfortable to do it, because it's supposed to be from the BIOS of the system. But usually by default, this is enabled. Anyway, if those 2 features are enabled in your systems, then you can continue with the WSL installation. So, which is very easy. You just need to open your command prompt and copy paste this command here. Click enter. It will ask you. I will not click enter now because I already have WSL installed on my system. But if you press enter, then you will have another window that will appear that will ask you for username and password. Please enter your username and password. Don't forget the password. And after that, the installation will be just finished in 2 minutes. Right after that, restart your computer, and after you restart your computer, check if your WSL is identifying correctly the GPU. So to do that, go to Ubuntu, and then write NVIDIA SEMI, or just copy paste this here. So let's do it together. Let me copy paste this. And as you see here, it's identify my driver. This is good version. So if you have such if you have such thing, then you are fine. And it doesn't need to be the same CUDA version. It doesn't need to be the same driver version, but you need to see a table like this. As soon as you have that, then your WSL is okay. You don't need to open this terminal again. This is just that one-time effort during the installation. You are done now with step 1. Go to step 2. Download the weights. Those are the model weights for all the deep learning models in the package. So please check this and download it. As soon as you finish, put this folder on your C drive in a path that doesn't have spaces, doesn't have special characters, and it's not supposed to be very long path because Python has like limited number for the path. So for example, mine is just under, I put mine in users, Yasmin's. Probably there is another folder here and then models. Put your drive models folder on your C drive. Now we finish step 2. Finish step 3. You just need to download some samples. And those are the samples. Download one of them or all of them, whatever you want. And then we finish step 3. Then let's go to step 4, which is installing the package itself. I can tell you that you will not find any problem during installation of this package. All the problems and issue are either because the WSL or because they they write wrong paths in the configuration file, which will we cover today as well. So now let's install together the package. So installing the package should be on your Anaconda prompt, not command prompt, not WSL terminal. It's supposed to be in your Anaconda prompt. So if you don't have Anaconda on your system, please install Anaconda from this link. As soon as you have it in your system, then you can just open it like this, Anaconda, then that will appear. Click that. And now you can just copy paste this the comments of option A. So I have so here saying that creating an environment called Napari VASCilia with Python 3.10. So I will just copy and paste it. However, I already have such environment in my system, so I'm gonna just uh, let's say Napari VAS, something like this. So I'm gonna click enter. Okay, it's done. Let's conda activate this environment. And as soon as you have this, you can continue now. This will install all the uh, uh, this will install the GPU wheels that needs to run your VASCilia. Even if your system doesn't have CUDA installation, then you are fine. I'm doing that to make it easy for any person that probably don't have CUDA in their system. So that will uh, uninstall the wheels that VASCilia needs to run the GPU. So the GPU will be immediately identified. Now we just need to put pip install Napari VASCilia. And this is the package actually. That's it. This is like the uh, last instruction or the command that you need. It takes some time because I have many libraries in the package. So you can just go drink water, coffee, and return back. You have all the other information and details here. You can go through them. Usually, I like to biologists to install using option A because it's you don't need to download the code. The package will be installed using uh, this uh, uh, this command. However, if you are a developer and you want to see the code, inspect the code, then you can clone the repository. You can install with option B. You can clone the repository and continue with this. Okay, it's done. and you can see everything is successfully passed. So now let's start with the, okay, now you need to launch Napari. So let's launch Napari, and okay, here it is. Now you just need to go to plugins, VASCilia, and VASCilia will appear here. If the buttons are short, tighter, then you can change the width and height of those buttons through the configuration file. So let's now check the configuration file. As soon as you do this step, then there is a configuration file that will be created automatically in your system. So let's go and find it. You can close it now. And how to know where is your configuration file? You just need to open your command prompt and check this. So my config file is supposed to be under C user Yasmin. So I will go to C user Yasmin, and it's here, and I should find it here. So I will find it under Napari VASCilia folder. So you should have this folder under the path that you find here, and go inside this, and you will find this one, config.json. Open that config, and here is what all people do mistakes because of those paths. Let's describe each one carefully. Actually, the root folder is where you put your process data. So the VASCilia will process the data and will create folder for you that have the results, the measurements. So that's gonna be the path. That path can be anywhere. Can be in C drive, D drive, but not external drive or Dropbox. But it can be anywhere in your computer. C, D, E. Don't put it also on your desktop. Just choose any regular path that doesn't have spaces, special characters, and all other paths needs to be are related to your models folder that you downloaded, as you see here, and that folder need to be in C. Again, in a path, so it needs to be in C drive, and again in a path that doesn't have uh, special character spaces. It doesn't not supposed to be too long. So please replace this part, because this is my path. Replace this part to the path that you have in your computer. And all those and if you want to change the width and the height of the buttons, you can change it from it, because what this one is related to my screen resolution. As soon as and if you want to inspect all other parameters, you can inspect them, read all the details in the here in VASCilia. It has all the features are described very well here. This video is just to for installation. So that's it. You need to, as soon as you fix that, you can save it and close it, and then you go and launch Napari again from Anaconda, and you need to then you need to open, and then you can start open your dataset, stream, rotate, segment. There is a separate video that tackle all these tags that exist also in in the main GitHub, which is this one here. Click to see a video demo. And please, if you have any issue, put it in issues, and I will work and I'll respond and be very careful to respond carefully. Thank you so much.